When iMessage stops working, do not reset everything first. Refresh activation, confirm, send and receive, test internet, then reset network only if needed. Open settings, messages, turn iMessage off, wait 15 seconds, then turn it back on. Give activation a moment before testing. In settings, messages, send and receive, make sure your phone number is checked. Also choose the number to start new conversations when possible. Open Safari and load a page. If it stalls, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular. iMessage needs working internet, not just signal bars. Confirm your Apple ID is signed in, date and time is set automatically, and iOS is current enough. Activation can take up to 24 hours. If activation still stalls, turn off VPN and test on cellular. Corporate, school, or filtered Wi-Fi can block the traffic iMessage needs. If the earlier steps fail, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. This clears saved Wi-Fi, VPN, and Bluetooth network data. If iMessage still fails after 24 hours, check Apple system status and contact your carrier about SMS activation. Scan the guide for the full decision tree.